Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So finally got my limited edition red Xiaomi Mi A1 in. Now this is my favorite phone, or one of my favorite phones of 2017. I actually labeled this phone smartphone of the year for mid-range, and it's this one right here. But this is the red limited edition version. So specs are the same. It just has special edition red. See, I still got 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs onboard storage. Box looks the same, but it's time to crack it open and show you that beautiful red color. Let's get into it. Wow. And there we have it, folks. This is a beautiful, beautiful red with the black front. That is how you do a black and red device. Apple take that. I do have a red iPhone 7 Plus, so I'll bring that in. In here, you do get a screen protector, and you get a little cleaning cloth there. I believe that was in my other one as well, but I have tempered glass for this phone. So you get the SIM ejection tool there, and then when you look inside, obviously you have some manuals, which nobody reads the manuals. Nobody does. And then you have your charging brick and everything on this side. This is the same way they did it last time. And remember, this is Type-C. And the next thing I'm going to tell you guys is to look in the description. The red one is in stock at GearBest, and it is ready to go. So be sure to grab yours. And oh man, this thing is just freaking gorgeous. The limited edition red is so sweet. And I actually have the rose gold one over there, but this one is the same, man. You've got the power button volume rocker, IR blaster, noise cancellation microphone. You got that dual camera setup on there. This red just looks gorgeous. This red looks gorgeous. Headphone jack on the bottom, Type-C, speaker there, SIM tray here. And again, this is the global version. So I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. Here it is next to, and this is a Android One device, remember, so this is Google. This one's on Oreo, and this one's probably going to jump to Oreo as soon as I get it going. But there they are, both of my two beasts. And everybody was excited about the red Honor 7X. I ordered the red Honor 7X, and then I was like, you know what? I don't want that. I'd rather have a stock version of Android with this red phone right here. So I got this one. I actually had them both, and I said, you know what? I'm going to pull out. So I canceled my order for the red 7X for now. Maybe I'll pick it up later. I don't know. But wow, wow, wow. This thing is gorgeous. This thing is gorgeous. Check it out. Wow, so I'm going to get my SIM card in here and get it all set up, and I'll be using this for a little bit to come. But it's your man Jay Will, the red special edition red Xiaomi Mi A1 Global Edition. Snapdragon 625, 2 gigahertz, 4 gigs of RAM, 5.5-inch 1080p display, Android One device, dual 12 megapixels on the back, but you already know those are fantastic. It has all the LTE bands for the US, so you are set. Hit that link in the description and get yours while they're in stock. This is only $209. Grab it. Grab it. Yeah. It's your man Jay Will. I am out. Take care.